I'd like to introduce my new travel companion, Muriel. My regular viewers will know that I don't normally do unboxings, but this is an exception because in this box is Muriel, and you'll find out who Muriel is shortly. But first I had, the documents. Keep those safe there. So, the big moment has arrived because I've been waiting for this and I'm really looking forward to meeting Muriel. And this is fairly well packed. There we are. And it says, kind reminder, please keep this box and the packaging inside for the whole duration of your eFoldi warranty. Your warranty will become void if this original packaging is not used to send your eFoldi back for repairs or returns. So, I have to keep it. And they remind you again, and they remind you again. So, they obviously mean it. And well, let's get this off first, see what's in there. There's something in here which is well and truly stuck in there, but we'll teased out. And this, yes, is the charging unit. So that's important. Put that over there for the moment. And keep the packaging, so I'll put this box back in its hole and save that. And now it's time to meet Muriel. What I'm going to do, I'm going to lay the box over on its side and pull it out because it weighs about 18 kilos, and to be perfectly honest, I can't manage it just to lift it straight up. So there we are, and grab a look at there, and there we have Muriel. And what is Muriel? Well, it's an eFoldi because I got a bag to go with it. Get rid of that box there and put these bits back in because, as you're reminded several times, you have to save the packaging. So that's ready for saving. And then there's this thing, I don't quite know what that is, but we'll find out. And I'll put that with the bag over there for the moment. And now we find our way into this bag. So, there is Muriel. And she looks to get away. I better put this in the box as well. Now, what exactly is Muriel then? Now, I have watched a number of videos on how to do this, but let's see if I can remember all the things they tell you to do. So There are two buttons here, press those and lift that up like that. And then pull the handlebars out like that, and then pull that out like that, and then grasping this, lift it over and lay it down there, and then we now get the wheel out like that, and that's it. It's a bit stiff because it's all new, I suppose. And then lay it down like that, seat up, and we have a super duper new road legal scooter. Absolutely fantastic. And on the back of it is this small compartment here with a zip and the instructions in it, and two sets of keys. So we'll have to read that on. There's a look behind mirror as well. Have to find out how that goes on and where. And the battery is here. And to open the battery, use one of these funny keys and battery release, and that comes out like that. So it's just very light, very handy, but they do say to charge it up first, and it has a USB socket in there if you want to keep your phone charged at the same time. Now that's good. But before I do anything, I'm going to make sure that the battery is charged up. Now when I showed my first scooter, the one that I bought for trial, a couple of you subscribers suggested I should give her a name, and they made a couple of suggestions. So why have I called her Muriel? And that is because my old classic car is named Queenie after my mother, and the motorhome is called Gwendolyn after my mother's sister, my Aunt Gwen. And my mother had two sisters, and we can't leave the third one out, so she was Muriel, and that's Muriel is going to come with Gwendolyn and I on our adventures. And if I have a fall like that again, I won't be going on any adventures. So that's why she's called Muriel, now an adventure. And this adventure is going to be entitled Travelling East with Two Ladies. And we're going to head to the east side of England and look at a few places that were recommended or suggested by one of my subscribers, Richard Earth. And we're going to make a few stops along the way. No panic, no rush. So I'm just going to take my time, and I hope that you'll come along with me, or with us I should say, and see what I get up to with my two ladies. So thanks for watching this one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to ring the little bell and select all, so that you'll see what we actually get up to. And yeah, that's about it really, I suppose. So I'll just have to, it's late now, so I'll just say good night. I'm going to bed. Good night everybody.